Good morning, everybody, on this Thursday, what I like to call Little Friday. It is June 30th, the last day of the month of June. Tomorrow starts July, and the 4th of July weekend. Rain chances going up. Yes, they are going up. And already this morning, I'm seeing a little shower or two trying to get going this morning, which is a sign of, well, a very unstable atmosphere. Let's zoom in on this. There's Bowling Green right there. Look at this around Portland in Sumner County, moving out of Trousdale County, a little shower there, moving toward Lafayette. Um, Hartsville getting some of that, maybe going toward Westmoreland. And look the direction they're heading. Southern Simpson County may get something here in a little bit. Southern Allen County, these showers hold together. This is all ahead of a warm front, as you can see, south of the Nashville area, a little bit north of it, right along the Cumberland River as you head north across the Old Hickory Lake area and then back up into Kentucky. So we shall see if this all holds together. If it does, it'll be the beginning of a better chance of showers and thunderstorms. In fact, as I look at things this morning, we are looking at higher rain chances, the potential for some heavier rain as we get on into the weekend. Yes, it is a possibility as we go through time. A washout? No, but some badly needed rain? Yes, because of the drought situation. I know it's not great timing for a holiday weekend, but gosh, we could use that rain badly. Okay, we're in a drought situation, so don't forget that. Temperatures starting very comfortable again this morning, maybe a few degrees warmer than yesterday, upper 50s to the north, up around Ohio and Grayson, Breckinridge County, Hardin County, Butler County, and then more into the 60s now that that warm front is starting to cross into Kentucky. Temperatures are gradually going to get warmer, already in the 60s, almost near 70 right now near Scottsville in Allen County this morning. That's a big difference from the temperatures I showed you just to the north of us this morning. All right, let's take a look at future temperatures here. Put you through the day in the next 24 hours. Starting in the 60s, low 60s, even upper 50s to the north of us. There you see the 70s already showing up in Nashville and Middle Tennessee this morning. It's going to be one of those days where it warms up pretty quickly because of the warm front that's moving northward into southern Kentucky. And then it's going to be a more humid day because of that. The setup here, lots of muggy air, that warm air front making its way into the area. Low 90s. I mean, we hit 93 officially yesterday, which was 4 degrees above the average of 89. We'll be about there again today, but you'll notice a lot more mugginess, stickiness in the air today, along with that possibility of some pop up showers. Tonight we'll only drop to maybe the 70s across the area and then back to the upper 80s, close to 90 again tomorrow across most of the southern Kentucky area. Okay, so what about these rain chances? Let me get into that and I'll show you what at least the models are projecting. Now, right now, the blend of models is not showing that much happening right now, but we do know, we see, I just showed you on radar, those two little cells popping up out of northern middle Tennessee, which is a good sign. That means the atmosphere is ripe with, even without the sun being up as of 5:02 a.m. It's coming up, but not up yet completely, heating the earth. There's enough available moisture and enough of a trigger from that warm front to, spark a couple of these isolated to widely scattered showers. So through the day, especially this afternoon, is when I think they'll become more populated. But not everybody's going to get rain today. Let me just put that caveat in there. Not everybody's going to get rain. I know you need rain. More field fires yesterday across the area. More of a problem. More burn bans are going up across the area. We're in desperate need of rainfall. So some of you will get something this afternoon. Keep in mind when it does rain over a certain area, a small area, the rain could be very heavy. Downpours, gusty winds, lightning, maybe even some hail. This is not a tornado situation, not even close. This is just boom, it rains itself out and it's gone. And you see here after dark, after the sun goes down, they're all gone. This is what I mean by diurnal thunderstorms, heat of the day, sun heats up the earth. You get that lift in the atmosphere. Plus, you've got the warm front being a trigger for these thunderstorms. But after sunset, they lose energy, they rain themselves out, and they're gone. But tomorrow, here we go again. This time with the frontal boundary, more of a cold front to the north of us coming in, and then those old lazy boundaries that get set up because of whatever happens today helps become the trigger. Daytime heating kicks in, and then we see more scattered showers and thunderstorms for Friday afternoon. And here comes the front for Saturday. Now, this is in question as to how potent this front becomes, and then where is it going to stall? Is it going to stall right there along the Ohio River, or is it going to come further south and stall right over southern Kentucky? Some of the models are going both ways. So probably somewhere in between the Ohio River and the southern Kentucky border. Either way, we're going to get rain out of this, and some of the rainfall could be heavy at times. And I know we've got Thunderfest on Saturday. It's just we'll just have to play it by ear and see what happens with that. But gosh, bring the rain, bring the rain. I'm hearing from too many people that this is a serious situation. By the way, the drought update will come out sometime today, and we'll have a better handle. I would say we're going to go into a more serious drought situation here in Kentucky. Okay, here's a look at the maps today. There's the warm front to the south. It's going to move northward. With that will come a few widely scattered showers and thunderstorms today. Some of you may see a couple this morning, like I said, down around Simpson, Allen County, or even more than that. Once the sun comes up, we'll see. But these will be sparse. They're not going to hit everybody, so keep that in mind today. Not everybody's going to get rain today, but over the course of the weekend and into the Independence Day holiday, 4th of July, and even beyond that, we're going to see continual chances of rain. Not that it's going to rain the entire weekend, just gully washer, but we're going to get some rain. All of us are going to get some rain. Here is Friday afternoon, Friday evening. Here comes the front, some of that Gulf and Atlantic moisture, as I talked about the last few days, combining over the area. By the way, that little disturbance just gets absorbed into all this. High pressure absorbs it. High pressure a little stronger than that little disturbance, so it's not going to turn into anything. No tropical storm, but it does aid in bringing that Gulf of Mexico moisture northward into Kentucky, and then the Atlantic fetch just ahead of this front. Perfect timing if you're looking for rain and thunderstorms and a good drink of water on your yards and gardens. Saturday, here we go. Midday Saturday, afternoon Saturday. This shows the front parking right over southern Kentucky with a wave of low pressure riding along like a train runs along the tracks. It stalls out. That's good news for us if you're looking for rain. If you're looking even for beneficial rain, that's great news. Let's see it. That's conditional if it's going to happen. Like I said, it could be further north, further south. We'll get something out of it, but how much remains to be seen. We got to give us another day to look over everything. There's Sunday into Monday. That front retreats back to the north, but we're still covered with the shower chances and thunderstorm chances. There's Tuesday and even into Wednesday, even though it's not painted in here on the last front, that front stalls to the north of us. and we keep the showers and the thunderstorms in the forecast even through the middle of next week. Best rain chances we've had across the board in weeks. So that's how significant this is. I hate the timing is the holiday weekend, the 4th of July, but we get some rain in here, you can shoot off all the fireworks you want to. But until that time, the burn bans continue for many of us. Okay, there's the numbers. 92 or so today, like yesterday. We hit 93, 91 tomorrow. Across the board here, upper 80s to low 90s, even close to mid 90s. Middle of next week, each and every day you see here, all the way through Wednesday, has rain in the forecast. And it may be extended, but temperatures are going to be typical 90s pretty much across the board for the next few days. All right. That's going to do it for this edition of your morning weather, sponsored by Ace Hardware Marketplace. Remember, you can watch this each and every morning, 7 days a week, even Saturdays and Sundays. Around 5 a.m. is when I record it on the Sam channel, which is on Facebook and YouTube. All right, I'm headed to the radio station, Sam 100.7. I'll give away more ride and slide tickets, so be listening in during the summer of Sam. God bless you. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the radio.